Dear students, today we are going to discuss the solution of system of linear inequations in two variables. In previous lecture we discussed the solution of linear inequation in two variables. So that solution of linear inequation in two variables simply represents the region of the plane. Now today we are going to discuss the solution of linear inequations in two variables, system of linear inequations in two variables. You know how to solve linear equations in two variables, a1x plus b1y equals to c1 and a2x plus b2y equals to c2. So this is the system of linear equations. There are a number of methods to solve this. And after solving, there are three possibilities. Either this system has unique solution, this means that they simply represents a point which is common, that is unique solution. They have no solution, this means that they are parallel to each other, and they have infinitely many solutions whenever these two lines represented by these two equations actually coincide with each other, like L1 and L2. Now we will solve this system of solution of system of linear inequations in two variables graphically. Like if we consider x greater or equals to 3 and y greater or equals to 2, this is the system of linear inequations in two variables, because this x greater or equals to 3 can be written as x plus 0 y greater or equals to 3, and this y can be written as 0x plus y greater or equals to 2. Firstly, we will solve this graphically, x greater or equals to 3. You know how to solve linear inequation in two variables graphically. Firstly, we will draw the graph of x equals to 3, that is this line, passing through point x equals to 3 and parallel to this y-axis. Also, points on this line x equals to 3 also satisfies the given equation, because here we have slack inequality. That is why the region which is shaded by these dotted lines, that is this, represents x greater or equals to 3. Similarly, while solving y greater or equals to 2, we simply draw a line y equals to 2, that is line parallel to x-axis passing through y equals to 2. That is, also points on this line satisfies this y greater or equals to 2, because it simply, that is this line, because it is simply the slack inequality. So region shaded by these dots is region represented by y greater or equals to 2. Now the common region between these two regions is simply this or, including the points on this line as well as on this line. So this region simply represents the solution of this system of linear inequations in two variables, because this is common to both the regions. So simply we have to take the intersection of the region represented by the individual inequalities. So this is the required region, or simply we can say that this OR region is simply a region which represents the solution of the system of linear inequations in two variables, that is x greater or equals to 3 and y greater or equals to 2. Similarly, if we consider 3x plus 2y less or equals to 12, x greater or equals to 1, y greater or equals to 2. So this means that here we have three linear inequations. That is, we have a system of three linear inequations in two variables, because this x greater or equals to 1 is x plus 0y, and this y greater or equals to 2 can be written as this y 0x plus y greater or equals to 2. Firstly, we will draw the graph of this 3x plus 2y equals to 12. That is, we will solve this linear inequation, first linear inequation. So this means that when we draw the graph of this 3x plus 2y equals to 3, that is on x-axis the point is 40 and on y-axis point is 06. When we join this, we simply get this line, that is this line is 3x plus 2y equals to 12. So this means that this divides the region into two parts, this part and this very part. Now clearly this R1 region which is shaded by these this dotted horizontal lines represents the region represents the solution region of 3x plus 2y less or equals to 12, because here in this region R1 point is 0 0, that is 3 into 0 is 0 plus 2 into 0 is 0, that is 0 plus 0, which is always less or equals to 12. That is why this is the solution region. Similarly, this x greater or equals to 1 is the region shaded by these circles, small circles. That is this, actually it represents the region this, because we have to draw a line which is x equals to 1, that is it passes through point x equals to 1 and parallel to y axis. Similarly, y greater or equals to 2 is the region represented above this y equals to 1 line, which is shaded by this. So here we have three regions. So the common region or the intersection of all these three regions is actually this, which is shaded by this blue color. So this region A, B and C, region A, B, C, A, closed region, represents the solution of this system of linear inequations in two variables, because this is the only part of this region or the only part of the plane which is common, or which is the intersection of all the three regions are represented by these three linear inequations. So this means that A, B, C, A, this means that it is closed, is the required solution region of the given system of linear inequations in two variables. So in this way you can solve any system of linear inequations graphically. So thank you.